Hi Anthony. So here's what I've done so far. I added these columns. They are from furniture, rugs, villa, combining categories, subcategories, XLS file. And you will see that this is that database products file, and I added columns which we need. So you will ask client, could they could they add these categories and subcategories on this products database file, because we need all products data on one sheet. If they cannot do it, we can do that for them. We have a developers, and one of them can create a convert script which will do that. It will add in a similar way as I did for these first three products. These are products which I just copied their data from some of these rows and pasted here, so you can have some example of, not example but sample that. Now let's see. Then I added column I and column J. These columns are for, you will see a screenshot of wireframes, and you will see what to put there. You will see also container product description. So it should not have more than, I don't know how many words it should contain, the description of a container. That's something that we cannot know before we get a design file. Now, if we should have an attribute container item with yes or no options. So this first and third product are container items. I found them on China DC Auction 1. So this is one and this is the second. And for both the container items, yes, we already, this could be a redundant data, because if a product has a value for category container products, then it will be, I will know that it should be a container item, but maybe we will need this as an attribute, so the best is to ask to provide yes. In a case they do not have data on Excel sheet for these products that I found under direct containers in this file, I can find somebody to parse out this products data, to find the SKU number, and then to enter dealer and FOB price in this database file. You will see that I have added these two columns. One is container dealer price, the other is FOB price. Also I added this designer and wholesale price, because per wireframes, and they will have I think several customer groups, some different customer groups. So that's something that when you talk with them, we will see how many customer groups do they have. Now let's go. So this minimum quantity container is an attribute you have. I already commented it. So this is minimum quantity that can be being ordered on for a container. So when user try to add two products, it will appear on one message, minimum quantity for these products to add to a container is this number. So these are there, but I don't find a way. So this, I will mark the columns that I have added with a color, and you will know that white color are the old columns and any other color are the new columns in row 1. Now, this is shipping information tab. So these are something that you should check with them. Do they have a CBM, product volume, product weight, in a box, not product weight without a box, but in the box weight. Oh no, we have a box weight and product weight. Box weight is needed for shipping, so that's some data that you should check with them, do they have or not. Then we have box width, box height and box depth. These are the dimensions. Maybe they do have them, maybe they do not have them. Just ask if they have to populate data for it. This is shipping method. I saw on detail page of a product. I will show you now. That's on page 22. I see here shipping format LTL. So I think that those data should go here. Oops, LTL. Oops. Right. Or something like that. I don't know what's for it. Now, these are filters. So for each filter we need a column, and the products must have some data in those columns. So collection, maybe we have already a column for it, maybe it's redundant. That's something that you have to check. Same is for brand, room type. I do not know for which products they will have a room type, so we will talk with them. Same is for category. Style, color, size, shape. These are columns for I must mark these columns some other color. So these are categories: one of a kind, sale, quick ship and web exclusive. All this, in a case that the product has to go to this to any of these categories, just put yes. No need to put no. Just leave empty, and I will know that these two products will go to one of a kind category. Similar is for sale, quick ship and web exclusive. In a case they have some additional data, for example, color is redundant. You see here maybe there is a third column, so you will delete those that are not necessary. So these attributes will be shown on detail page, on specification tab here, and they can have as many attributes as they have data. So they can have color, size, whatever they want to show here, just put in this additional loop. I see that on wireframes exist these set products. So for set products we will need the SKU number. So SKU of this product will be in this row. It will be here, I think. So we have a SKU, here it is, and those products which should show here as a set products, we will import them as upsell. Just put the SKU of that product, SKU1, and I will just do this, and you will know what to do. It is same as for related products. I already explained how we use related products. And that's it. I will see what are we going to do with the group products. But I think that we can parse out the database file for them and to create that group detail page. They do not have to do that for us, but I will check that after you find out everything about this that we have here, and then I will show you how to populate data for a group product. It's pretty simple, but we will have to have a SKU number of a group product as a master item, and then we will just put child items in additional column. So we will need, but I will see how can we get those data from the data which we already have. That we will do next time. That's all.